BMW X5 M Sport 30D on a 2024 registration with 23,000 miles on. The colour is called Skyscraper Grey. Quite a rare colour, to be fair. I know there's a few different shades of grey. Now this car has a tech pack, the comfort pack, the crystal clarity package. It's got all the extras that people want, such as heads-up display, the tilt and sliding sunroof, the illuminated front grille, but then this car also has an added extra bespoke styling kit. Now the M Sport X5 is a practical SUV with 5 seats, but when it looks as good as this, it just sells instantly. So if you are in the market for an X5 and you've always thought to yourself, well, I want one in a nice unique colour, it doesn't get much better than this. Before we go around the outside, have a look inside. It's got the individual ivory white extended merino leather interior with the black piping. That's the same on the door cards, leather on the dashboard, the ambient lighting, the climate cup holders, and the crystal clarity pack gives you all that crystallized finish on the stop-start, the iDrive, and around the car. I've mentioned the heads-up display. It is the new model with the iDrive 8. We will come back in a few seconds, but some of the extras that people ask for is Harman Kardon, which is got. Going back to the front of the car, I've mentioned the grille with the black styling, black insert, there's the extended kit, front rear parking sensors, and then you have the new X detailing. X detailing here on the headlights, the BMW LED daytime running lights, and then you've got the diamond turned upgraded wheels. It's no good buying yourself a fantastic car with dinky wheels on. It needs to look right. Diamond turned, gloss black, and the blue brake calipers. The side air babies are finished in black. The M badging. Then you've got the extended side skirts, which completely changes the side profile of the car and has a nice little flair to it. Sun protection glass, black roof rails, and you have comfort access. So if the keys are in your pocket or your bag, you can walk up to the car, it will unlock. Going back into the interior, Harman Kardon, the ambient lighting flows through to the doors, huge door bins, fully fitted M mats as well, and then you have the piano black interior inlays. There's the twin cup holders with the climate cup holders, and you have the wireless charging pad. Electric adjusted steering column, cruise control, the perforated seats, and because the car's covered 23,000 miles, it's in a stunning condition. Now, not all cars with 23,000 miles look like this. We are super particular in what we buy and what we sell. We literally handpick them because we've got a fantastic reputation. I'm not willing to lose that reputation just for the sake of a few pounds. So, when we do sell the cars, we look at them outside, inside, the way the car smells. Little things that some retailers might not take focus on, but if it smells of cigarettes, I'm not interested. Now this car has the ambient lighting on the back of the seats, the rear door cards, the door pockets, and the rear seats are also heated. To give you a small demonstration, as I get in, because this is a good size SUV, there is plenty of space for all your friends and family to join you on your journey. Like I said, you've got charging ports, the centre armrest comes down. You also have the M seat belts, and the tilt and sliding panoramic roof isn't just a glass sunroof, it's the one with the fancy lights going in there, which is nice, very nice. Now, the bespoke styling continues round the back, starting off with the extended rear spoiler. The rear diffuser is completely different, and then you have the X lighting and the X pack round the back as well, including the reversing camera system. Now this is an X5, it's a practical SUV. Does it need to look sporty? No, of course it doesn't. Does it help if it looks a bit fancier? Of course it does, it's easy on the eye and it looks good. You've got the signature split tailgate. This car also has an electric factory deployable Towbar. You press the button, then it comes out. The seats go down 40, 40, 20, and the tonneau cover hides all your valuables. And then underneath there, you've got more cubbyhole space. That space alone is pretty good. I must make you aware just very quickly, because the car has got a body styling kit, the Towbar comes out from underneath just there. So it swings around quite cool, really. You've got the hazard warning monitor system just there. The body work is in fantastic condition, no dents, no scratches. But if I can just draw your attention to the driver's seat here, especially because it's got that individual ivory white interior and it is Napa leather, so it's nice and soft and very rich. However, if you do wear a lot of denim, all we do normally recommend is at least once every couple of weeks, lukewarm water, nothing fancy, you wipe it down and it'll keep it looking like this for as long as possible. Going back to the steering wheel, you have the M Sport steering wheel. So the first thing that you realise is how chunky it is and it's sporty. And just because it's a family car, it doesn't mean that it can't be cool, and it is. The heads-up display, we all know what that does now. That's speed, navigation, radio, Bluetooth details. The iDrive 8, which is touchscreen as well, and it's very easy to use. And this is all minimalistic. I like it a lot. Name and numbers on the screen. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.